All right, welcome back, everybody, to Fast Money. Shares of the fintech firm SoFi topping the tape in a big way today after clearing a final regulatory hurdle to become a bank. So let's trade it. And I'm going to turn to you, Steve. First, what does this mean for SoFi, and what does it mean for the, I guess we call them the more conventional big banks?
So if you think about this, the younger generation don't see the traditional money center banks as equating to them any longer. If you go to SoFi now, you could do your banking, you could do your loans there, you could trade crypto, you could trade stocks, you could trade IPOs. You can't do that with JP Morgan. You're not buying crypto with Citibank. You don't allow those are the dinosaur names. Now, granted, they've had a great run, and the SoFis of the world are the growth entities. So we've seen the massive sell-off in growth, the massive repurchase of value. But at these levels, technically, SoFi is a screaming buy. It started to bounce right where it bounced last January, and it doubled by February.
Guy, do you agree, disagree? What's your take?
I agree 100%, but I also have to say that I never thought it would get down to 12 and change. I thought it was going to bottom out around 15. Obviously, it shot through it. But yeah, I think you had some price capitulation and volume capitulation over the last couple of days. And if you go back and look, you'll see that every time SoFi gets down to these 14 levels or so, the ensuing bounce is pretty significant. I think this should be a stock that's north of $22. I think there's some analysts on the street that agree with this, and maybe this is the catalyst that will lift some of the uncertainty. I'm not sure that it will be, but I just think in terms of the stock, I think it's too valuable an entity to be trading at these levels.